Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a custom widget. So let's jump into creating a custom widget. So creating a widget is all about creating class and adding 4 functions into this class. So which 4 functions are there? So one is constructor, another one is the widget, then another function will be form, and last function will be update. So whenever you want to add a new custom widget, these 4 functions will be there. So this is the basic structure of creating a widget. Now let me open my local site. I will log in. First let me check which theme is there. So 2016, yes, so 2016. So in this theme we have this sidebar. I will go to the widget section and we will create a new widget, custom widget, and it will display over here in this available widget section, and what we are going to add in that widget. So we will create a widget which displays a list of posts based on selected post type through the widget. So whatever post type we will select in the widget, it will display the list of posts to post from the selected post type. So for this, let me open my custom plugin. So in this plugin, I am going to include one more file for adding custom widget. So if you are new to this video and you don't know what widgets are, so I have already created a video regarding the basic information of the widgets, and link is coming at the top right corner of the video. Please go ahead and check out, and if you already know what widgets are, then continue watching this video. So I'm going to add a new file in includes folder. Now I'm going to add a basic structure of the widget from here. And here I have already created a new custom widget. I will provide this link. So whatever page you are going to see in this video, I will provide all the links into the description section. So first I will change this class to our class WP widget custom post list. You can give whatever you want, and it always extends WP widget. Now let's add some things into the construct. function so that so that our widget will start appearing in the backend. So I will copy paste this code. So these are some widget options you can add to your widgets. So first is class name, another one is description, and these are useful for when widget added through the customization section over here. From this customization section, and this is some basic function to set up your widget. So you can add the widget ID over here. This will be the widget name, this will be the widget description, and on this action you can register your widget. So in register widget function, whatever class name you have added over here should be there. So this both should be the same. So by this action your widget is registered to the WordPress and it will start displaying in the backend. So let me save this file and I will go into this backend in the widget area and I will refresh this. So our widget is not displaying, so we forgot one step. So whenever you create a class, create an object as well. So we will create this object and now we will refresh this. So as you can see, now our widget is started displaying in this available widget section. So this is the widget title and it is coming from here, custom post list, and this is the widget description which is coming from here, custom post list. Let me add this text as well. So as you can see, description is changed now. Now I will put this custom widget into sidebar widget area, and I will put it on the very top, at the very top. Now this widget has nothing, so even if we go into the front end, it will display nothing for that widget area. So let's start adding some options in this widget. So for that we have to add code into this form function. So in this file I will go into that form function over here and I will copy all these things and I will paste it over here. So in this form function we have this parameter instance. So in instance, whatever the fields we use in the form, we will get all the values in form of array through this parameter. So instance have has all the values of the form fields. So first field is for title. So before that, let's refresh this widget, and here we have now three options. One is title, another one is selecting post type, and another one is the limit. So let's see one by one. So in this title we have label, and we have this input field. So in input field there is two necessary functions we need to take care of. One is for ID and one is for name. So in this widget, whenever you want to add an ID, then you have to use this function always. You cannot pass a static ID like this, otherwise widget is not going to recognize your particular widget's ID. So we have to use this function, which is this get field ID and then ID. Same for the name. Function is get field name and title. And whenever you want to fetch the value for this field, you need to use this parameter into this instance variable. So this is how you can add ID and field name for your form fields. Now another field is the post type field, where I have fetched all the custom post types over here. So this is same. I have added the select field over here, and this function get post types will bring all the post types into an array, and I have iterated that array, and I have print those options into this select. So this is how I added the post type. And last one will be the limit, how many list of posts you want to display at the front end. So let's add something to this title test, and if we hit the save, it won't save anything, because for saving the data this function is applicable, and we haven't added anything to this function. So in this function, in the old instance, you will have all the values before you saved the widget setting over here, and once you hit the save, in new values will have in this new instance parameter. So you can simply return this new instance parameter, so that you can update your new value in the widget. Now if I save this, then this value will start saving for the widget. And let's select books over here, and let me add limit as a 3. So I want to list 3 books at the sidebar. So this post type, so if you don't know how to create a new custom post type, that I also created a video regarding that. The link is coming at the top right corner of the video, and if you know how to create a new custom post type, then please continue watching this video. So in this widget, so using this widget, I want to display 3 books in the sidebar. So again, let's go to front end and start refresh. Still it will not display anything, because for displaying widget content on the front end, we will need to add our custom functions into this function widget. So whatever we write into this widget function, it will start displaying at the front end. So now same in instance, you will have all the saved data of the widget. So let's try to print this instance and we will see what we have. Again, I am going to refresh this, and as you can see, we have title, post type and limit, which we already saved over here. Title, which is list of post type is book, and limit is 3. Let's try to change this. And refresh. So this is how you can get all the values from the widget setting using that instance parameter. So to display list of selected post type, I have created the function in my file over here. I will copy all this thing and we will go line by line. So first we get title using this instance variable. Sorry, this thing is necessary argument before widget. So if you remember, when we created our new custom widget area, in that register sidebar function, we added a parameter called before widget. So whatever we add over there will reflect over here. So let me try to show you if I have. Yes, so in our video, one of the videos, we created this widget area. So if you haven't seen that video, then link is coming at the top right corner of the video. Over there I have explained how we can create a new sidebar or widget area for our theme. So in this sidebar, this is the argument: after widget, before title, after title. So whatever we add over here, so for example here we are calling arguments before widget, so it will call this before widget, means it will call this div with id and class, So same for before title and after title. So it will add this h3 before title and after title. So this is related to the widget area we are adding the widget into. So currently we are adding this widget into this sidebar. So it will add uh, divisions or whatever it is there for sidebar widget area. So it will call value according to the sidebars. Now I am going, so now this is the post type we are getting from the instance parameter. If it is empty, then we have added default to the post. And limit, so if there is no limit given, we have added 5 as a default. Now these are the arguments we are going to pass for WordPress query. So first is post type, which we will get from the selected setting. Another one is post per pagist, which is limit, how many number of posts you want to display. Again, we are getting that from the setting. And post status, so only published post we want to display. And this is the class to for the WordPress query, and this is the method to iterate the WordPress loop. We will discuss this WP query in our next video, but for this you can follow this code to display the selected post. So this is the function to get title, so we will display only title for the selected post type, and that's it. This is the code to display the post on the front end. Now I am going to front end and I will refresh this page, and as you can see we have selected post type, so it is displaying latest 3 book posts over here. Let's confirm. So book 543, latest 3. Let me change the limit, well, let's say 5, so it should display all the 5 books. Now let me try to change the post type, and I will select posts, and it will display posts according to the post type. Let's confirm. So post 5432 and hello world, post 5432 and hello world. Moreover, in this widget you can add one more option to display it in ascending order or descending order. So this is the video, guys. I hope you learned creating a custom widget through this video. If you have any doubt or question related to the widget, write down into the comment section below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.